Setting up the kitchen on the Cruizer Highside is very easy. The first step is to remove the dust caps off the water connection and the gas bayonet. So I've got them out of the way. Now we can unlock our kitchen and extend it out and get it set up. Just gently pull the kitchen out, get it to full extension. Grab your support leg, and the support leg goes into receiver hole just here in the middle. Undo the black knob, extend it and take the weight of the kitchen on that. Now we can connect up the gas and water. To get access to the hoses for both the water and the gas, just open this little hatch here and feed the hoses through the relief hole in the bottom of the kitchen. Push them through. Now the water hose. And then neatly through, ready to connect up underneath. To connect the water, simply push it into the quick disconnect. Then grab your gas bayonet, line it up in, push it in and twist it to the right. Now they're both connected. On the driver's side of the camper, we have the electrical control panel. This controls all your 12-volt power. This is activated by turning the main isolator on. We have a water tank gauge, voltmeter, amp meter, and the various circuits to the trailer. Have the water pump, refrigerator to the front fridge box, the lights, DC outlets, and the stereo, so you can select which one you want. When you're getting ready to pack up and go, simply switch the whole lot off. If you're going to use your refrigerator while you're traveling, leave the refrigerator switch on and the main switch on. And that, folks, covers the setup of the kitchen and the electrical.